Hey there, I'm Alex Feisley, and today I'm going to be walking you through how networks work in Netmaker. So this is the second video in our tutorial series. The first was installation. So the next thing you're going to want to do once you have your server set up is set up your networks. So maybe you don't need to, because when you log in, you'll see that one got created for you. So this is our Netmaker network here. This gets generated by default. And you can use this. You may want to instead create your own using different names or different address ranges. And if you want to do that, you just go here and click Create Network. And networks in Netmaker are really good for segmenting use cases, or if you're working with customers, maybe you're making different networks per customer. Each network is really just a subnet. It's a segmented overlay network, which can be used for whatever you want. It's worth noting our access controls could also be used within an individual network to segment access, but a lot of people like to create multiple networks and just put devices into those and keep them separate. It's a lot easier to kind of see the differences there. So let's say, for instance, I have some edge devices I want to manage. So let's say edge access. So we're going to have a network called edge access. We're going to need some IPv4 address range there. You can also do IPv6 if you want, and these will be our virtual addresses for the devices. And then last, you have a default access control rule. So either they're going to be able to reach each other by default, or connections will be disabled by default. Typically, you want to set this to allow. So we go there, we make our new edge access network. Let's just go ahead and make a couple others just for the purposes of seeing that. So let's make one for, let's say, Office, and maybe this is for your employees to access the Office network, and maybe we just want to keep that IPv4. Maybe we want to make it a /16. So then we have our Office network, and that's pretty much it. Maybe you want to do one other for connecting your different cloud and data center environments. Let's just call it like cloud overlay. And we'll give that its own address range. So now there you go. We have 4 networks here. And if you want to delete one, let's say you don't want to keep that original Netmaker network, I can just go here and click delete. And there we go. You've got your networks. So that's really it for this tutorial. In the next one, we'll talk about how to add devices into these networks. Thank you.